Wala mga madaya. Wala madaya.
Let's go, this year's survey. That is right. Have a round of applause for Blue and Azul. Now, this time, are you ready? Ready. Okay, now, before we go in the bridges, please or not. So, Blue. Now, Blue flies over and takes the money. What's next, Blue? What's next, Blue? And Blue flies back to the table and guess what? So Blue wants to donate your money. Now, are you okay with that, sir? I'm donating your money. Well, it's change for whatever. 100 lang kayo. Dollar mo no? Yeah. What? So, okay na. Exchange na. Second round sa 500 na. 500 na po. Pwede Gcash. I'm just joking, sir. It's all part of the show. I'll be returning your money, but before you go back to your seat, Blue wants to take a picture with you for a souvenir. And you can go right here and follow our swingers instructions.